Can you remember the combination?
Yep, look at that.
So, is it going to be mouldy?
Of course.
No, I've got bets that it's not.
You're in it.
How does it smell?
Mouldy.
Really?
Good to be back home.
Yep. How's it
No,
look?
not too bad.
Not too bad?
No,
Alright, let's have a look.
not too bad at all.
It's a little bit smelly, but that's more musty than mouldy, I think.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
Hot.
Actually, that's not bad at all.
Little fan's been going 6 months.
Yeah. We got there just before we left.
It's hot.
Looks like the clove oil might have done the job.
Yeah, no mould at all.
This is incredible. Oh, the pillow's a bit dodgy. We found the last bottle of
Whiskey.
on the boat. I'm just trying to get your guts out of the photo.
Last bottle of whiskey from Costa Rica. So we're just going to celebrate.
Oh, that looks a bit yucky.
Yeah, got a bit of water on it. It's hot.
Is it hot, baby?
There you
Oh, where's mine?
Yeah,
Oh, that's mine. See?
they're not full.
Do more of what makes you happy.
And actually I can.
Ah, cheers.
Cheers. Here's back home again.
Here's to Nutty and more adventures around the world.
Oh. That's a big
that's
day.
good.
That was a big day.
It was. But we're here now and we're just gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do. Empty the cases and just have a big clean.
Big clean.
That's
Not as big as a Panama clean.
That's my job tomorrow, is
Yeah.
clean, clean, clean. 'Cause it's gonna rain.
Not as big as a Panama clean though.
No.
Alright, let's unpack some stuff.
Okay.
Oh, it's so nice to be home.
She's not too mouldy.
No,
But lots of cleaning tomorrow.
lots
like
of cleaning,
major
yeah.
cleaning.
We've unpacked. All good.
Yeah.
Catch you later.
Very excited. See ya. First morning, we're just about to head off to the boat. There's one little problem.
It's so nice to be back and into the routine.
Yeah.
Been down the markets, been shopping. Feels good.
Gonna
So,
make nice breakfast.
breakfast and then boat work.
Yep.
Catch you guys.
See ya. Well, we had our first night in the hotel last night. And we went to our lovely lady who we go to in the morning to get our breakfast rolls and lovely food for the day.
I think I just cracked an egg.
And yeah, of course, here you buy eggs in, they're loose. So we're just gonna go make some brekkie. It's lovely to be back here. It's very quiet. Nobody around.
So quiet.
Nobody around. So this is what happens in the summer, in cyclone season. Everybody goes. There you go.
Thank you. What are you up to, Wen?
I'm putting some fruit in our fruit bags. Woohoo! Get excited about that. Do you love having fruit in our fruit bags?
We've got a bit of stuff everywhere because we just sort of dumped everything in here when we got here yesterday.
Yeah.
So a bit of a clean up today, put things away and start with boat projects.
Yep.
Looking forward to it.
Lovely coffee.
Just yakking with this fella. And he's just won the meat tray down the pub. So family should be happy.
What's going on, babe?
Well, you know how in this modern world we live in, you end up with a charger here, a charger there, a charger there, a charger there, a charger here. I'm sure there's loads more. Just chargers everywhere. You forget which one's for what when you get old like me. So I bought the printer from home and I'm going to print a label so I know what each item is for. I'm a bit OCD like that. This is actually Wendy's idea.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, there you go, you can get the credit. So now I know that that is for the new spotlight that we bought because We've been using this old spotlight for finding it coming into harbours at night, and that's how bright it is. And this is the new one.
Oh, baby!
So this one's like a yellow dot, and this one is incredible. This one was half the price, a quarter of the price of this one. This one uses batteries in one night. This one uses batteries in a week. This one weighs nothing. This one weighs a ton. So it's a bit of a no-brainer, really. So pretty happy with this purchase.
And there's another great advantage over the blue one.
This one floats.
Yeah.
This one sinks.
Yes.
And sinking things on boats aren't too handy. So yeah, we've got a backup.
Yeah.
If we ever need it for the good one. And we've got all sorts of new stuff. We've got a new EPIRB because we're an Australian registered vessel, Australian registered boat. We can't legally use the old EPIRB. I mean, we could set it off in case we were sinking, but so we're now an Australian registered boat. We've got an Australian registered EPIRB, so I'm going to put that up today. There is so much to do. Anyway, I'm starting from that corner there. I'm going to work along there and then across there and put everything where it should be. But there's a lot.
Magnus?
Yeah?
You've got a very big hand.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to discuss your hand?
What
is it? Yeah.
Yeah, there, you can't really see it, but there and there is where a wasp got me as a bit of a welcome back onto the boat. As soon as I stepped on the boat, went to move something, this wasp, massive wasp, well, that big, came out and bang, got me there and there, and it's starting.
There and there again?
There and there.
Yeah.
It's starting to go down now, but it was the size of a watermelon. And yeah. But yeah, thanks Mr. Wasp. So I moved his nest onto the neighbour's boat. No, I didn't. I didn't do that. If you're watching this, Bruce, I didn't move it onto your boat. So cheers. I threw it in the bush. So he's now they're happily making little nests in the bush now. Yeah. But it was hilarious because you're carrying a wasp nest, there's wasps following you, so I had to sort of run and wave and look like an idiot as I threw it into the bush and then wave them all, tell them where it landed and wave them on. So excitement to start the day, and I had to do that all on the ladder.
What have you got there?
Toys. Up to now, this and this has been our only form of navigation. But now we've got this.
And what is that?
It's a Raymarine Axiom 9 with Lighthouse 3.
To the uninitiated?
And Navionics.
What does that mean?
It's our new plotter, so it's got a chart. It's in radar. It's everything. It's the world. Yeah.
And it's cutting edge?
Pretty well, cutting edge. Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm just importing all our data from what you've been using, all our tracks, routes, points, into this. I should be doing stuff, but I'm just having a bit of a play.
Playing with your new toys?
Yeah. It's like Christmas here at the moment.
So we've gone from basically no gear to fancy Nancy gear.
Yeah.
Or at least usable gear. Sweet! Is that where it's going to go?
Yep, that's where it's going.
Okay, just doing some dishes, cleaning out all the cupboards. I think I need new coffee. Magnus has just put the EPIRB on the wall with all the instructions. I just had a lesson on how to use it. So that's cool. What are you putting in now?
Running all the cables for the radar and the plotter, etc.
What day is it?
It's Sunday breakfast.
So it's special.
It is.
So we've come to the Bayos little restaurant at the marina for a special Sunday breakfast because it was so good last
We
time.
had breakfast here once before and it was really, really, really good. So I thought we'd give it another go.
Yeah, beautiful here, look at this. And it's so much greener than when we were here before.
Yeah.
Ah, it's just gorgeous. Not bad. First course, toast, cafe. second course, fruit.
Fantastic.
And this is the main course. Magnus has got Americano breakfast, obviously a la Mexicano.
Yeah.
I've got some salsa stuff there and some cheese, and then I've got huevo rancheros. Seems to be a favourite. What are you doing?
Well, we've got all these peas and lentils and mung beans and Great Northern beans and kidney beans, and I thought I'm going to sprout them. A friend of mine back home sprouts beans, and they taste really good. So I've done a bit of research. You can't sprout kidney beans because they're poisonous, uncooked at a high temperature. You can sprout Great Northerns. They're used in making baked beans. You can sprout lentils, which is pretty easy, and black-eyed peas. So I'll start with the lentils. Give it a crack.
What are the steps?
Well, you just put about half a cup of beans in. About half a cup, maybe a bit more. There. Fill full of water. Let them soak overnight, and then start sprouting them.
Is that simple?
It's that simple.
Okay, we'll see what happens
about
tomorrow.
3 days.
And then they're ready, or they just start sprouting?
Then they're anywhere between 3 days and 10 days.
That's so quick.
But every day you got to rinse. You got to rinse them twice.
Okay.
So just soak these in here, and then I'll make up a sprouting container tomorrow.
Okay. Right, day 1 or day 0. I just popped into the fabric shop to get some samples of a couple of the fabrics that I was thinking about using for the saloon, and these are going to be the smallest samples I've ever seen in my life. Anyway, looks like we're going with that one because they haven't got enough of that one. Magnus just checked Izzy to see how she's getting on, and it looks as though the starter motor is seized again, so that's going to be a job before we go back in the water.
Here we go.
You're just getting it out.
Yeah. You got it? Just hold it there.
Yeah, got it. You got it out quickly.
Oh, yeah, everything's nice and loose now.
One seized starter motor is now on the operating table of SV Nutshell,
Yeah.
ready to be operated on.
It's the same problem as last time.
I can't remember what that problem was.
Seat.
So it just needs to just clean out and a bit of a lube.
Yeah, a bit of WD-40.
Is it coming?
Yeah, slowly but surely.
Why is it seized?
Because it's got a bit of crap in there.
Ah.
Bearing feels good. Bearing feels knackered.
Have we got any more of those?
No. It now turns.
So it's fixed.
Well, it still needs a new bearing,
Yeah.
but it's fixed enough for the time being. Very awkward little spot to work. Right, can you turn the key and we'll see if it turns over.
Now
Yep.
it's on. So it needs a bigger job.
Yep.
Go take it out again.
Yep.
Rebuild it.
Yep.
Back on the operating table. Alas, it needs a major rebuild. Is this a momentous occasion?
Well, it's our only piece of electronics that we had on the boat when we bought it, and it's being replaced.
So that one's going to Cotty's.
Well, here's one I prepared earlier. Look at that.
Oh my goodness!
Brand spanking new starter
Just
motor.
happened to find that.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you do.
Doesn't every boat have a couple of spare things? So while I'll put this one in, and while this one's in, I'll get this one rebuilt.
Yeah, so we've got a spare.
So we always got to have a spare. Nice, shiny, look at that. Woo-hoo! Who's excited? This boat is incredible. Because not only is it the best boat on the water, even on the bitumen, but it's got everything spare. It's got one of everything. So, pretty happy.
So, sparkly brand new one going in now.
Yeah.
Last bolt going in. All good.
Well, new starter motor's in. I've primed it. I took the diesel feed pipes straight off the injectors and primed it all the way through. So a bit of a glow. Let's see how well she starts after 6 months of non-starting. Glow and the moment of truth.